And then we are going to take our 2 cups of cherry tomatoes and put those in there.
This week on NCTV, we'll see what tasty treat Nan Montgomery is making in the kitchen on our recipe of the month. Plus, we learn about the history of the capital of the 29th state to join the Union, Des Moines, Iowa. You can watch both each day at 6:30 in the morning and at 12:30 in the afternoon. You can also tune in at 5 and 9 on Monday and Wednesday evenings. Only on NCTV, your best source for local stories about local people.
You want to make sure that